Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 6th December 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 15 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. How many times has the Indian team won the Men's Hockey Junior Asia Cup? Answer is 5 times. The Indian men's junior hockey team crushed arch-rival Pakistan 5-3 in the final of the 11th Men's Hockey Junior Asia Cup 2024 to win the Men's Hockey Junior Asia Cup title for a record 5th time. The 11th edition of the Men's Hockey Junior Asia Cup 2024 was hosted by the Oman Hockey Association in Muscat from 27 November to 4 December 2024. India won the Men's Hockey Junior Asia Cup title for a record 5th time in 2024, 2023, 2015, 2008 and 2004. Question number 2. What term was selected as the Oxford Word of the Year 2024? Answer is brain rot. The term brain rot was chosen as the Oxford Word of the Year 2024, reflecting a 230% surge in its usage between 2023 and 2024. The term was reportedly first recorded in 1854 in the book Walden by Henry David Thoreau. Collins Dictionary's 2024 Word of the Year is Brat, the album title that became a summer living ideal. Question number 3. Which country was a partner country in the 2024 International Gita Mahotsav? Answer is Tanzania. The Haryana Gunner Bandaru Dattatreya has inaugurated the International Gita Mahotsav at Kurukshetra, Haryana, on 5th December 2024. The 2024 International Gita Mahotsav has been organized in Kurukshetra, Haryana, from 28 November to 15 December 2024. In 2024, Tanzania, an African country, is the foreign partner country, and Odisha is the state partner. Question number 4. Netumbo Nandi Ndaitwah has been elected as the first woman president of which country? Answer is Namibia. Netumbo Nandi Ndaitwah has made history by being elected as Namibia's first female president. She is current vice president, will succeed the interim president, Nangolo Mbumba. According to the Namibian Electoral Commission, Netumbo Nandi Ndaitwah secured 57% of the votes, while her closest rival, Panduleni Itula, got 26%. Samia Suluhu Hassan of Tanzania is currently Africa's only female president. Question number 5. Where did the Indian Navy showcase its operational might during the Navy Day event? Answer is Puri. The Indian Navy showcased its operational capabilities at Blue Flag Beach in Puri, Odisha, during the Navy Day event on 4 December 2024. The demonstration highlighted the Navy's ability to neutralize threats across air, surface, and subsurface within a 300 km radius, with over 3,500 personnel and 90,000 tons of naval assets involved. This event emphasized the Navy's strength and its commitment to safeguarding national maritime security. Question number 6. Where was the nanobubble technology launched to clean and purify zoo waters? Answer is New Delhi. The nanobubble technology was launched in New Delhi's National Zoological Park by Union Minister of State for Forest, Environment and Climate, Kirti Vardhan Singh. This innovative technology aims to clean and purify water, ensuring the health of aquatic animals by preventing issues such as foul smells, algae buildup, and discoloration. Question number 7. Who has become the first New Zealand player to score 9,000 test runs? Answer is Kane Williamson. Star batter Kane Williamson on 3 December 2024 etched his name in the record book as he became the first New Zealand cricketer to score 9,000 test runs. Apart from becoming the first New Zealander to reach the 9,000 run milestone, Williamson became the 19th overall, with India's Virat Kohli being the most recent to achieve the landmark in the longest format. Question number 8. Which state government has launched the Bus Sangwari app? Answer is Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh government has launched the Bus Sangwari app to simplify bus travel, especially for remote areas. Chief Minister Vishnu Deo Sai introduced the app, highlighting its role in improving governance and public convenience. Currently, it provides data on over 5,000 buses operating across the state. GPS integration allows real-time bus tracking, with plans to include interstate bus details soon. Question number 9. Which city will host the Mahakumbh 2025? Answer is Prayagraj. The Mahakumbh 2025 is set to be a grand and spiritually significant event, taking place in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, from 13th January to 26th February 2025. In this way, this fair will run for a total of 45 days. Kumbh Mela is a very important and historical event of Indian culture and religion, which takes place once every 12 years. It is organized at 4 major pilgrimage sites: Prayagraj, formerly Allahabad, Haridwar, Ujjain and Nashik. Question number 10. Devendra Fadnavis recently became the Chief Minister of Maharashtra for how many times? Answer is third time. Devendra Fadnavis becomes the Chief Minister of Maharashtra for the third time on 5th December 2024. Along with the BJP leader, Shiv Sena chief Eknath Shinde and NCP leader Ajit Pawar were also sworn in as Deputy Chief Ministers of Maharashtra. Together with allies Shiv Sena and NCP, the BJP-led Mahayuti coalition has a commanding majority of 230 seats. The BJP alone won 132. Devendra Fadnavis first served as Chief Minister from October 2014 to November 2019. Question number 11. Who has been honored with the Aster Guardians Global Nursing Award 2024? Answer is Maria Victoria Wan. Nurse Maria Victoria Wan has been honored with the Aster Guardians Global Nursing Award 2024. Maria, whose career has been a testament to dedication and resilience, was chosen for this award for her outstanding efforts in transforming the healthcare landscape, particularly in the Philippine Army Health Services and the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Question number 12. Brigadier Raj Manchanda passed away recently. He is affectionately known as. Answer is Old Fox. The Indian squash community mourns the loss of Brigadier Raj Manchanda, a legendary figure affectionately known as the Old Fox, who passed away on 1st December 2024 in Delhi. He was the national champion 6 times in a row between 1977 and 1982. His best individual performance was 4th place in the 1984 Asian Championships in Jordan, where the team won a bronze medal under his leadership. Question number 13. Who has delivered the second Drishti 10 Starliner surveillance drone to the Indian Navy? Answer is Adani Defence. Adani Defence has delivered the second Drishti 10 Starliner surveillance drone to the Indian Navy, enhancing the nation's maritime capabilities. The Drishti 10 Starliner drone, manufactured at Adani Defence's Hyderabad facility, offers a 36-hour endurance and a 450 kilograms payload capacity. Adani Defence previously supplied the Drishti 10 to the Indian Army, which plans to station the drone at its Bhatinda base in Punjab to enhance surveillance along the western border with Pakistan. Question number 14. Mahaparinivan Divas is observed every year on? Answer is 6th December. Mahaparinirvan Divas, commemorated each year on 6th December, signifies the death anniversary of Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, B.R. Ambedkar. B.R. Ambedkar, the father of the Indian Constitution, was born on 14th April 1891. Fondly known as Baba Sahib. Ambedkar died in his sleep on 6 December 1956 at his home in Delhi. The word parinibbana, which means the accomplishment of nirvana, is used in Pali. Question number 15. National Microwave Oven Day is observed every year on? Answer is 6th December. National Microwave Oven Day is observed every year on 6th December to create awareness about the things that a microwave oven can perform and explore ways by which we can simplify our kitchen work. In 1945, Percy Spencer, a self-taught engineer, realized that while working with active radar, a candy bar placed inside his pocket was melting. He used the same technique to make popcorn in a microwave. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.